Hi children, happy morning to all. Welcome to 7th standard video. Today I am going to teach you 7th standard English Unit 3 Grammar. Unit 3 Grammar Preposition. Grammar Preposition. Shall we move? Shall we move students? Yes. So preposition. What is preposition? What is a preposition? Yeah, prepositions a word. Preposition a word that shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun. A noun or a pronoun and some other word or element in the rest of the sentence. What is a preposition? A preposition a word that shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and some other word or element in the rest of a sentence. So a preposition comes before a noun or pronoun in a sentence. A preposition comes before a noun or pronoun in a sentence and shows its relationship to another word or part of the sentence. See the picture. These are the prepositions. So you have several prepositions. See the with, at, from, into, during, including, until, against, among, throughout, despite, towards, upon, concerning, of, to, in, for, on, by, about, like, through, over, before, between, after, since, without, under, within, along, following, across, behind, beyond, plus, except, but, up. So many prepositions. So these are the prepositions. Okay, these are the prepositions word. But we use some prepositions only. Okay, we use some prepositions like with, at, from, into, during, until, among, of, to, upon, towards, in, for, on, by, about, like, over, before, between, after, within, along. But remaining despite, concerning, including, throughout, except, these prepositions we never use. Okay, so what is a preposition? Preposition a word that shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and some other word or element in the rest of the sentences. Okay. With, at, from, and, to, into, during, until, these prepositions are daily we use it. Okay, daily we use it. But except, plus, beyond, following, throughout, concerning, these prepositions we use rarely. Isn't it, ma? Yes. Next. So here prepositions can be classified into three groups. See the picture. Prepositions can be classified into three groups. What are they? Time, place, position. That is preposition of time, preposition of place and preposition of position. First one we see preposition of position. Preposition of position. See the picture. Where is the rabbit? See the picture. Where is the rabbit? Yeah, see first picture. Behind the box, where is the rabbit? Behind the box. So behind, so preposition of position, behind. And next one, where is the box? Where is the rabbit? In the box, see the picture, in the box. Okay. And third, where is the rabbit? Over the box, over. And under the table, under. In front of the box, see the picture, in front of the box, so in front of, preposition of position. And see the last one, where is the rabbit? Between the blue box and the red box, between the blue box and the red box. So between, preposition of position, so preposition comes before a noun or pronoun in a sentence and shows its relationship to another word or part of a sentence. Preposition can be classified into three groups. First, preposition of position, time and place. Okay. Next one, preposition of time. See the picture. Preposition of time: at, on, in, during. These are the prepositions of time. See, at the end of the month, at 10 o'clock. I will come at 10 o'clock. Okay. At Christmas, at the weekend, in summer, in 2015, in the morning or evening, in a few days, on Monday. I will come on Monday, on the 25th of December, on Christmas Day. So these are the prepositions of time. It mentions time. Okay, it mentions time. Okay. I will come at 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock. So preposition of time, at. Preposition of time. Okay, preposition of time. Okay. Next, preposition of place. So place, at, in, on. Yeah. At home. At home. I am staying at home. In the house. On the corner. Corner is a place, a preposition of place, on the corner. At work. University. At college. The bus stop. At the traffic lights. In a car. In a helicopter. In a boat. In a taxi. In a traffic jam. On a train. On a plane. On a ship. On a bus. On the way. Okay. I am standing. For example, I am standing inside the classroom. I am teaching inside the classroom. Inside. It refers to the preposition of place. So, what is a preposition? A preposition comes before a noun or pronoun in a sentence and shows its relationship to another word or part of the sentence. Prepositions can be classified into three groups. That is, preposition of position, preposition of time and preposition of place. Okay, have you understood, children? Have you understood? Okay, children, thank you for watching my video.